Time to get some trader talk now with Alan Knuckman, the Chief Market Strategist at Paradigm. Hello to you, Alan.
We're unwrapping profit presents that are under the tree right now. So again, we have our plan in place to take profits. We talked last week about how we had 6 winners in a row in November. Very impressive gains here as this market has stabilized and moved higher. And then just since last week, we've had 3 more. So we've had AT&T, which got 50% gain, Lyft, another 50% gain, and 100% in Snap in a month.
Tell us what you see with market action.
All right, 4,600 remains right above in the S&P, so there's still more in store, and that's why we sell half our positions at a 50% gain.
What's your new trade?
All right, let's talk trade trigger. The stock this week is QS, Quantumscape. Now, this is a stock that is a tech play, obviously, and I spy some money flow going into this particular stock. It's trading about $7. We've seen the money flow, the smart money rolling into the stock after it made new lows here November 1st. We've got a bottom base in place, and we also have bullish divergence, meaning it made new lows, but it did not make new highs in the implied volatility, which is a sign that we follow for our sentiment shift.
Let's hear about your trading plan.
All right, technically, it's got a double bottom at $5. It's been between $5 and $8 for 4 months. So a breakout of that range targets 11. So the way to play here, buying an April $4 call below those lows. $4 calls trade for about $3.50 right now. It's about $3 in the money. So it's a deep in the money option. It's going to act like a stock. And if this stock does take off to that $11 target, the option, that limited risk option, gains 100%.
Let's get those trading day takeaways, Alan.
All right, trading takeaways. Again, it's the season of pleasing. Let's talk number 1. Bull Bash 2023. I've been bullish, and believe me, I've been bashed. The NDX is 40% off its 2022 low, and the S&P is 30% off its 2022 low. So I'm a big believer in momentum, and this market momentum is strong. You mess with a bull, you get the horns. Number 2, bull presence. Gold, new all-time highs. Interest rates dropping a full percent nearly in the 10-year note yield in the last couple of weeks, I guess, last couple of months. And inflation down at the 3% level. So those are very bullish presence for the markets. And number 3, S&P 6,000 setup. All right, people have been taking my thunder. I talked S&P 5,000 technically a long time ago. And we're not saying just yet, but if you look at things technically, first we got to take out that 4,600, then we make new highs. But if you look at things technically, and this has happened every time in history, a full V recovery, we drop from 4,800 down to 3,500 in the S&P. That 1,300 points on top of that old high would target S&P 6,000, which is a reasonable 30% up above.
Always so good. Thank you, Alan.
Merry New Year.
Go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.